Hello guys, I'm Bo again. Today, why I hold on to glasses. These two glasses, is different. What they are made from. Today I will take you to find out one Thai local fruit that. So let's see. This glass is made from Canberra. This drinking glass is made from they call Golanda. So today we will find out what is Golanda. What is kind of plant? So let's check it out. This Golanda tree I grow by seeds. I grow one pot many seeds. When they germinate many young seedling, then I separate to be one bag. This tree I grow only 1 year. They can produce fruit, and I can have fruit all the time. We used to eat fresh fruit or take to make a drinking juice. Today I will show you how to make the juice from Golanda fruit. Golanda. Some people that I read from internet, they said it's same with the group of the berry fruit. And about where is native of the fruit. Some people they said it's from Himalaya, or someone they said it's from Java. So I'm not sure which one is correctly. So if you know, you can share with me and tell me about this fruit. Benefit of this fruit, they have a lot. First, they can help the woman not get old easily, and they can reduce the sugar in the blood. So it's many you can go to searching. So today that's why I will show you how to make Golanda fruit juice. I pick Golanda fruit. It's very ripe, so the color is a dark red. They have a sap, so I take Golanda to soak in the salt water at least 30 minutes. Then make a fire with a charcoal. Take panda leaf and add drinking water in a pot. Boil it. Boil about 30 minutes. Then add sugar and salt. This how much you want to add it. If you want so sweet, you can add more sugar. I use a stone pestle to smash Golanda fruit because I want the red color to come out. Then boil it about 10 minutes. Then take it to in the white sheet cloth to separate the meat and the juice. I'm sorry the video is so dark because I cook it until the night time. So I have a Golanda juice to drink. I keep in the fridge. I will drink 1 glass per day. It's instead from cranberry juice, so that help my healthy to be good. Oh, I forget you. This I stand the front of Golanda tree, and I will drink the juice. It's good. Cheers. So a little bit about Golanda fruit. If you think this video is interesting, please give a thumb up and share to your friend. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube
there.
channel and
Subscribe
click
to
the
my
red
channel.
bell
And also press this bell
notify
icon.
to make sure that when my new video come up, you can see them. And feel free to leave a comment and share with me. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy. สวัสดีค่ะ